Now I will give you an assignment based on the switch case. So if you observe carefully, the same assignment I have given in the last session, in the last video, but that was based on conditional statements. It is by using if, else if and then else statements. Now I want you to do the same assignment by using switch case, right? So all what I am trying to say here is, you try to create a page with the name display day name 1.html, and inside that you create a page with the name display day name, and you create a function inside this display day name 1.html with the name function fn display day name, which is taking day number as a input parameter. When the end user clicks on this button, obviously from the on click event we need to call this function fn display day name, and you have to pass the day number. So based on the day number you have to identify the day name and you need to display the result. But I want you to implement the same code inside this function by using a switch case, not by using if condition. I believe you understood the point. Now I recommend you to do this assignment in your Visual Studio or maybe in some other editor. In case if you are using some other editor, I recommend you to use or write the JavaScript code in some other editor. If you are using Visual Studio, you write the code by using Visual Studio. Believe you understood? Now I would like to show you the solution for this assignment by using switch case. So instead of recreating a new page, what I will do here is I will try to open. Now I would like to show you the solution for this assignment. I'll try to open my Visual Studio now. But remember, instead of creating again a new sample or maybe new project for showing this solution, I will try to open the previous program which I created for showing the solution for the conditional statement related assignment. So I think this was the one which I created earlier. Let me open this. So this was the code we have written in the display day names .html file. First I will change this file name to display day names 1.html because I asked you to create a page with the name display day names 1. In case if you want to use the same page, and in the same page in case if you want to change the code, obviously your wish, or otherwise you can create a different page. After doing this, I created a submit button here, and in the on click event I am calling fn display day name function, and inside this fn display day name function I would like to display the day name values based on the day number value. So I will try to achieve this by using switch case. Let me write switch. So which variable will be getting values? DNO variable will be getting the values, right? Now I am using that DNO variable inside the switch. Now I will write all predicted values by using case. So when the D number value is 1, I will be displaying alert Monday. After this I will write break statement. Next, case 2 alert Tuesday, again break. In the same way I am writing case 3 Wednesday break, case 4 Thursday break, case 5 Friday break, case 6 Saturday break, case 7 alert Sunday break. And in case if none of the values are matching, then I will be going for default case alert. I will display invalid day, right? And again break statement. I believe you understood. So in this case obviously the code will work fine and you will get the result as usual. Now I will try to execute this code by clicking on debug, or otherwise I will try to send this page code to the browser by right clicking on this page and by clicking on view in browser option. Once I click on view in browser option, this entire page display day names 1.html will be sent to the browser. Now browser has received display day names 1.html page output. If you want, you can see that received HTML as well as JavaScript code. You can see completely here. Now let me click on submit button. So what will happen when I click on submit button? Definitely this JavaScript function will be called. What will go into this DNO variable? We are passing 7 into the DNO variable. Obviously execution will directly go into this case 7 and then Sunday will be displayed. If you want, you can check. Am I getting Sunday? Yes, obviously. I believe you understood. So this is how you can able to write the switch case statement. You remember, instead of going for more than one else if statement, it is strongly recommended to use switch case. Remember, switch case execution is usually faster than execution of a conditional statement or set of conditional statements which are having multiple else if statements. I believe you understood. Remember, instead of using multiple else if statements, it is recommended to use switch case. Switch case will be usually faster than normal conditional statements which are having multiple else if statements. I believe you understood.